Welcome dear viewers. Welcome to our today's session of online maths classes for standard 10th. So today we will start with chapter number 1 of maths 1 of standard 10. The name of the chapter is linear equations in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Okay, so linear equation. Okay, what is the meaning of linear? Linear means what? Linear means the variable having what? An equation in which the variable is having degree 1. Degree 1. That is the meaning of linear. Equation means what? Any expression, any mathematical expression which is having equal to sign is called as what? Equation. Means it will be having two sides. That is right hand side RHS and left hand side, that is LHS. So this is RHS and this is LHS. And in between we are having what? Equal to sign. Therefore it is equation. And it is equations plural. Okay, so there will be many equations. Okay, in two variables. Variable is what? Variable is any number. Sorry, any alphabet. That is A, B, C, D up to Z. Okay, we are having two things. And the number we are having and what? We are having what? Variables we are having. So variable we are having here A to Z. So these are nothing but variable. Numbers are constant, we know their value. Variables are not constant. We don't know their value. We can put any value for variable. It value keeps on changing. Variable means what? Variable to vary. Vary means to change. Okay, to change. Means what? Its value will be keep on changing. For example, suppose if we want, we can put A is equal to 1. If we want, we can put A is equal to 100 also. A is equal to 5 also. So its value will be, means it will not be fixed. Okay, it depends on us what value to put. It depends on us what value to assign. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study methods of solving linear equation in two variable. Then in that graphical method is there. And Cramer's rule is there, okay, and then what? Equations that can be transformed in linear equation into variables, okay, and then application of simultaneous equation. So this much we are going to learn in this chapter.